going on YouTube? And today, we've got my little deer, my little John Deere walk behind. It's tore apart. I got it broke down. It's just gonna kind of go through it, do a PM on it, and check everything out. I guess my question of the day is, do you PM your equipment and get it ready for spring, or do you take it and have it serviced? Myself, I do my PMs myself. I check all my bearings, like that one. You hear that one making a noise? That bearing is bad. That pulley's bad. It needs to be replaced. Hear this one? See, it's very minimal sound. That one's good. Hear that one? There's nothing there. That one's acts like it's just about new. That one, you don't hear nothing. That one, you don't hear nothing. This one right here, got a little bit of noise. It'll still hold out, but this one right here, that don't sound good. So that's going to have to be replaced. I want to touch it up. It's the old deck and everything. I call it Old Faithful because it likes to it'll get in the ditches for me and everything where my zero turn won't go. This thing will get down in there in that ditch and crawl in that ditch and come right out. Saves a lot of time on my weed eating. So the other question I got for you is, what do you do during the wintertime when there's nothing going on? If you don't PM your equipment or nothing like that, what do you do during the winter? What's going on, YouTube? This is John with John's Lawn Care, and today I am not doing lawn care. I'm doing some things that I normally do during my wintertime. As you see, I like to do body work, and I like to paint and tinker with old stuff. And today's just one of those days. It's cool outside, nothing else really going on. So, I could be working on my lawn care stuff, but I need to get this stuff taken care of. This is actually a fender, what should I say, a passenger bedside off a 68 truck. This is their inner side, the hump, I call it, for the bed right there. We're gonna paint them red. That's the goal anyway. We'll see if everything holds out. Got to do a little bit more touching up here and there, and got to get everything ready. But if you see everything right now, this is the before picture, and of course, through the miracle of time, bam! Here we go. Check that out. Not too bad, huh? And here's the inside of the bed. There you go. This right here, this will be painted when I do the outside of the bed. There you go. And there she is. She's laid down and ready to go to the next level. All right, this is John with John's Lawn Care. Have a good one.